Good afternoon, 7L. So it's period 5, Tuesday, 28th of April, and we're doing Humanities. So, of course, I'm checking my instructions on Compass, and I'm needing to go into my learning task, Lesson 5, inquiry questions for this one. So read the instructions. I go into my learning tasks. I find learning task Lesson 5, inquiry questions. I've got my details. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to Education Perfect and access and complete the lesson Historical Inquiry. Okay, so you need to do that first. Once you've done that, you're going to do task 2. So now that you have some background knowledge about ancient China and what historical inquiry is, it is a good opportunity for you to find out what else you want to know about ancient China. Historians are curious people, and their first skill in their toolbox is to ask questions. So we're thinking about what we still want to learn, what we still want to know, okay? Because once we know what it is we want to find out, then we can begin our journey to find those things out, okay? So we've learnt some things through our Education Perfect task, and now we're going to think about, well, what else do I still want to know? If I were a historian, what would I need to find out? So I'm in my learning task. You've got two options this afternoon, okay? So I want you to download either Question Matrix or Question Matrix Option 2. Okay, now I'll just point out Question Matrix Option 2 is a little bit less complex. Okay, so I would recommend opening both of them and having a look at them both. I'm going to show you them both in a moment, and use the one that you feel you understand better. Okay, so if you feel quite capable and you want to challenge yourself, use the first one, Question Matrix. If that looks too complex and you just don't understand, use option 2. You can look back at your horrible history task from yesterday to help stimulate some questions. So read that information again and see what questions you can come up with that you still want to know from that. Okay, so in a moment, we'll have a look at these two question matrices. Once they're filled out and you've proofread them, as usual, upload them to the learning task on Compass. If you were finished early, you need to look at your learning tasks on Compass, see which ones are overdue or due today that you haven't done yet, and you need to work on those. Okay, if you've done all your humanities ones, go ahead and do them for other subjects. And then once you're completely up to date, go for a break, of course. So having a look at these two question matrices. So this is the first one. So you need to formulate questions by combining the two boxes down the side and across the top. So for example, we'd look at what is. So your question would begin with what is. And then you keep going. And then you do the same for the next one. What did? What did? Okay, and think of a question. What can? What would? What will? What might? And then you work down. So where is? Where did? Where can? Okay, when is? Which is? Okay, and you keep working and filling out all those boxes. Okay, with questions that you come up with. If that's too confusing or just not your preference, then have a look at this one. So down the side here, we've got what, where, when, who, why, and how to start off your question. And I want you to create questions about ancient China you would want to answer by the end of this unit. Okay? And I'll be reading these, and this can help me in planning lessons. Okay, I can read it and say, students want to find out about weapons they used in ancient China, so that's something that we could do in another lesson. All right. Try to write at least 2 questions for each sentence starter. So we've got one example here. You need to do 2 of your own. So the sentence starter is what? So what weapons did they use in ancient China? 2. You do 2 of your own, and then we've got where. So the question starts with where. So it could be where is the Great Wall of China? But you think of your own. When? So the question starts with when. The question starts with who, why, how. So how did they discover fireworks? Remember, 2 questions per box. So you do not have to complete both of these. Choose the one that suits you best and just do one. Upload to Compass and then you'll finish. As usual, I'll be in Teams to give you assistance if you need assistance. Send me a chat or send a post. And that's it. All right. Thank you.